Hi, today we are going to discuss the GCE O-Level past paper for December 2019 in the subject Business and Accounting Studies. We are going to look at the part 1 MCQ starting from question number 1 to 10. So question 1 to 4 is based on a case given here. Kamala and Vimala went to Mihiri Rasahala conducted by the Multipurpose Cooperative Society and bought a cup of fruit for Kamala and a glass of milk for Vimala to fulfill their thirst occurred while they were working in the farm. So it's clear that both of them have the same need, which is thirst, but Kamala has opted for a fruit whereas Vimala has opted for a milk. Okay, so with that understanding, let's get into the question. What is the human need satisfied by Mihiri Rasahala? Now, what is the need that this particular business entity catering for? Is it food, communication, housing, or education? So, obviously, Mihiri Rasahala is catering on a standalone basis. Don't look at what it catered for Kamala and Vimala. On a standalone basis, that entity is there to satisfy the human need of food. So answer is 1. What is the type of business organization that Mihiri Rasahala belongs? Now Mihiri Rasahala, it's clear, is conducted by a multi-purpose cooperative society. So if they are conducting, it definitely falls under the category of cooperative societies. So answer is answer 3. According to the above case, Kamala's and Vimala's needs are same, wants are same, needs are different, wants are limited. So when you go through these 4 options and the case, we just mentioned earlier as well, both of them had the same need, but it was the want that was different. So if you look at the answers, needs are same. Yes, that is correct. Both of them have the need for thirst. Wants are same. No, that's incorrect. Why? Kamala opted for fruit whereas Vimala wanted a glass of milk. So 2 is not the correct answer. Needs are different. Again, that's wrong. Why? It's clearly stated that both ordered this to fulfill their thirst. So needs are same. It's not different. Finally, wants are limited. Now you can't conclude that based on the given case. Okay, if they say that they didn't want to opt for any other items but just this, then you could choose answer 4. But here there is no any mention on that. So the correct answer is answer 1, needs are same. Question number 4. What is the production factor that fruit used by Mihiri Rasahala belongs? Is it land, labor, capital, or entrepreneurship? Now a lot of students made error in this particular question because moment they saw the word fruit, many of them have opted for the answer 1, underlining land. But if you go through your grade 10 textbook, it clearly shows that for a production factor to be brought under the category of land, it should be an element on the surface of the land or in the inner part of the land. Now here, read the case carefully. They are asking you production factor that fruit used by Mihiri Rasahala belongs to. Now here, it is a cup of fruit. It's not a raw fruit itself. It's a cup of fruit. So there had been some level of manufacturing process involved. Hence, the correct answer is answer 3, capital. Answer the questions 5 to 7 using the following case. Nipuna and Upuli, the owners of the luxury products business which exports coconut fiber products, received the Best Entrepreneur Award in 2019 and the government offered a foreign tour to them and an employee. So question number 5, what is an external environmental factor of luxury products business? Answers are Nipuna, Upuli, employee or the government. Now if you go through the given options, it is clear that Nipuna and Upuli are owners of the business. So they would definitely fall into the internal environment of the business. Employees also belongs to the internal environment of the business. Nipuna, Upuli and the employee all are within the boundary of the business. But the government is an external party, external factor. They are outside the boundary of the business and depending on the government actions, the business will be impacted. So answer here is answer 4, the government. Question 6. Receiving the Best Entrepreneur Award of year 2019 by luxury products business is, answers are a strength of the business, a weakness of the business, an opportunity of the business, a threat of the business. Now when you receive an award for the business, is it a weakness? No, it's some kind of a recognition, correct? So it's definitely not a weakness of the business. Is it a threat to the business? No. So answer 4 is also wrong. Now this particular award will be a weakness to the luxury products competitors, but not for luxury products. So for luxury products, is this a strength or opportunity? Now getting the Best Entrepreneur Award will definitely give the recognition to the business, the goodwill to the business, the positive image to the business. These become the strength of the business to take on future opportunities. So the award itself doesn't create an opportunity. So the correct answer is 1, a strength of the business. Question 7. Select the correct statement related to the luxury products business. There is a legal entity to luxury products business. Registration of the business name of luxury products is not compulsory. Liability of Nipuna and Upuli in this business is unlimited. Cost of coconut fiber of this business is an indirect cost of the business. Now let's go use the elimination method and find the correct answer. Now their business itself as per the case is to export coconut fiber. So will the cost of coconut fiber be an indirect cost? No. So answer 4 is not the correct answer. Registration of the business, the liability of Nipuna and Upuli in luxury products business is unlimited. Now these two, Nipuna and Upuli, are the owners of luxury business. So looks like it's a partnership. Now it doesn't say that it's a private limited company. Hence, as owners, they will bear the unlimited liability. So looks like answer 3 is the correct answer. Let's see the other two options as well. Registration of the business name is not compulsory. Now that's incorrect. Why? If it's a sole proprietorship or partnership, the business should be in their owner's name itself because it does not have a legal entity. But here the business name is in a different name, luxury products. That means it is compulsory to register this business name. So answer 2 is incorrect. Answer 1 says that there is a legal entity to the business. No, it looks like it's a partnership. For partnership, there is no legal entity. The partners themselves and the business are considered as one, and the partners are exposed to unlimited liability. So answer here is 3 here, where liability is unlimited. Rasika, who does not hold any bank account, paid fuel bill of his motor car using an electronic card. The electronic card he used is, now he doesn't have any bank account, but he was able to use a card and make bill payments. Now if you're having a debit card, you must have a linked account. Why? Based on the money in that particular account, you can swipe the debit card and utilize. So if you have only 10,000 in your bank account, only for 10,000 worth of transactions you can use your debit card. But credit card is not like that. Credit card, you don't need to have a bank account. You become a borrower to the business. So using this credit card, even though you don't have an account with the bank or you don't have sufficient money in your bank account, still you could make your bill payments. So clearly the answer is answer 2, a credit card. Question 9. Ranga, who has a current account in People's Bank, issued a check of rupees 8,000 to Kapila. Here, Ranga is blank, Kapila is blank, and People's Bank is blank. They want you to select the correct term here. Now, just by looking this statement, Ranga has the account at People's Bank and he issued a check to Kapila. Now, in the end of this, who is getting the money? Money is moving from Ranga to Kapila. So, Kapila will definitely be the payee. So, here we know that Kapila should definitely be the payee. So, if 2 is payee, choose the correct answer here, which gives the second option as payee. So, here only in answer 3 you get that correct arrangement. So you can directly recognize or identify the correct answer. But going further, People's Bank is the bank where the account is held. The bank should adhere to the check instructions given by Ranga. So the bank is the drawee. The person who's giving the instructions to the bank is the drawer, and here it is Ranga. So the correct order is Ranga is the drawer, Kapila is the payee, and People's Bank is the drawee. Question 10. Vasana, who runs a garment factory, obtained a loan to build her house, securing one of her insurance policies. To obtain the loan, Vasana used fire insurance policy, cash in transit insurance policy, life insurance policy, or motor vehicle insurance policy. So in this case, Vasana is the borrower. Vasana has to pay back the loan. So if something happens to Vasana, the bank will not be able to recover the loan. So one of the ways of securing that risk is by getting life insurance policy. So if Vasana obtained the loan to build her house, securing one of her insurance policies, it has to be answer 3, life insurance policy. Thank you so much for listening to the video. Subscribe to Learning Business for more videos.